How are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikramra from LPM Public School, and this school situated in Gola Bazar. On last day we have learned different topics. That what chapter 3 was, exercise 3 was subtraction. In this topic we have learned regrouping 110 to 10 ones, subtraction with regrouping, using subtraction to compare, checking subtraction with addition, storations, addition and subtraction fact. And now after that we have learned understanding multiplication. In this topic we have learned different topics: multiplying by 2, doubles, multiplying by 5, multiplying by 10, multiplying by 0, multiplying by 1 and story sums. And after that we have learned numbers up to 999. In this topic we have learned forming numbers up to 999, place value, expanded form of numbers, comparing numbers. And after that we have learned addition and subtraction of bigger numbers. In this topic we have learned adding 2-digit number with regrouping, without regrouping, adding 3-digit number with regrouping, without regrouping, subtracting bigger numbers and story sums. And now we are revising exercise 2 and exercise 1. We have revised numbers up to 200, reading numbers, place value, expanded form of numbers, comparing numbers, ordering numbers, even number, odd numbers and ordinal number. And now we are revising addition, and in this topic we are learning adding 2-digit number we have learned, and now we are learning adding addition with regrouping. Okay, so you can see here that you have to regrouping to make 10. Addition with regrouping means regrouping to make 10. An example is given here. Add 24 and 6 on the abacus. You can see here that in step first you have to show these numbers on abacus. In 24, on ones place there is 4 bits, so in ones spike there will be 4 bits, and in tens spike there will be 2 bits. So let's make it 24, and 2 tens plus 4 ones, that is 24, and in 6 ones, that is only 6. So in ones spike we show to 6 bits. Okay, and tens is nothing. In tens nothing, I can add on the abacus. And now we have to add these numbers on abacus. You can see here that to add 6 to 24 you have to add 6 bits to the 4 bits in the ones spike of 24. To add 6 to 24 you have to add 6 bits to the 4 bits in the ones spike of 24. That means in 24, in ones spike there are 4 bits, and in 6, in ones spike there are 6 bits. So there will be 4 plus 6 equal 10 bits in the ones spike, and there cannot be 10 bits in any spike, and you know that cannot be 10 bits any spike. So regroup 10 ones as 110 and 0 ones. So remove all the bits from the ones spike, and there will be, and step third, listen, step second, again listen. To add 6 to 24, if you want to add 6 to 24 you have to add 6 bits to the 4 bits in the ones spike of 24. There will be 4 plus 6, 10 bits in the ones spike. There cannot be 10 bits and in spike. Regroup 10 ones as 110 and 0 ones. So remove all the bits from the ones spike. In step third you got 110. In step 2 you got 110 in step 2. So add one more bit to the 2 bits in the tens spike. As like there were 2 bits in the tens spike and we have regrouping 110 in step 2. So we have to add bits in tens spike. Now there are 2 plus 1 yani ki 3 bits in the tens spike. 24 plus 6 equal 30. Listen carefully again. Firstly, we want to add 24 and 6 on the abacus. In step first we have to write it. 24, in 24 there are 2 tens and 4 ones, and in 6 there are no tens and 6 ones. Step 2, to add 6 to 24, you have to add 6 bits to the 4 bits in the ones pipe of 24. There will be 4 plus 6 equal 10 bits in ones pipe. There cannot be 10 bits in ins pipe. Regroup 10 ones as 1 10 and 0 ones. So remove all the bits from the ones pipe. And step 3, you got 1 10 is in step 2. So add 1 more bit to the 2 bits in the tens pipe. Now there are 2 plus 1 equal 3 bits in the tens pipe. So 24 plus 6 equal 30. So that is Bhanu had collected. Now come on next exercise. Next page. Next example. Bhanu had collected 33 marbles. You know that Bhanu had collected 33 marbles, and Manu gave her 7 more marbles. How many marbles does Bhanu have in all? Bhanu had collected 33 marbles. You know that Bhanu had collected 33 marbles and Manu gave her 7 more marbles. How many marbles does Bhanu have in all? You know that Bhanu have 33 marbles and Manu gave her 7 more. So in step first you have to add the ones. In step first you have to add the ones. So 3 ones plus 7 ones equal 10 ones. Regrouping the ones, 10 ones equal 110 plus 0 ones. Now in step 2 you have to carry over 10 to the tens column and add the tens. 1 plus 1 10 plus 3 tens equal 4 tens. That means 1 carry and 3 plus 4 equal. So that is Bhanu has 40 marbles in all. Now come on next question. Aditya has collected 46 pictures of animals and Joya has collected 34. How many pictures have they collected in all? Aditya has collected 46 pictures of animals and Joya has collected 34. How many pictures have they collected in all? You know that Aditya has collected 46 pictures and Joya has collected 34 pictures. So how many pictures have they collected in all? You know that the picture of animal is 46 of Aditya, and Joya collected 34 pictures. So 46 plus 34, when we add it, 6 plus 4 equal 10, and add the ones, and 6 ones plus 4 ones equal 10 ones, and regroup the ones. So 10 ones equal 110 plus 0 ones. So 6 plus 4 equal 10, 0, and 1 will be carry over 1 10 to the tens column. And now in step 2 add the tens. So 110 plus 4 tens plus 3 tens equal 8 tens. So that is 86. So Aditya and Joya have collected 80 pictures in all. Common exercise 2.2 that is given in your book. Exercise 2.2, write the numbers and add. Write the numbers and add. You can see here that you have to write the numbers and add. So you have to look here that 32 plus 8, that is 32 plus 8 or 2 plus 8, 32 plus 8, 10, 0, 1 carry and 3, 1, 4. Question number 2, there will be 26 plus 4 because there are 2 groups of tens. So and 6 single bits, so 26 plus and 4 single bits. So 26 plus 4, we have to write 26 plus 4, and when we add 26 plus 4, 4, 6, 10, 0 and 1 carry and 2, 1, 3. So 26 plus 4 equal 30. In question number 3, there are 1 group of 10 and 5 single bits. So that is 15 plus 5 equal 20. So 15 plus 5 equal 0 plus 5, 15 plus 5, that is 5 plus 5 0, 1 carry, and 1 1 2, that is 15 plus 5 equal 20. Question number 4, there are 2 groups of tens and 3 single bits, so that is 23, and plus 7 single bits, so 23 plus 7, and when we add 23 plus 7, 3 plus 7 10, 0, 1 carry and 2, 1, 3, that is 30. Question number B, you can see here that in first 1 plus 9, 10, 0, 1 carry, 1, 1, 2 and 1 carry 3. So that is 30. Question number 2, 6, 4, 10, 0, 1 carry, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9. So that is 19. Question number 3, 7, 3, 10, 0, 1 carry, 2, 4, 6, 1, 7, that is 70. Question number 4, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 4, 2, 6, 1, 7, that is 70. Question number 5, 8 to 10, 0, 1 carry, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. So that is 80. 25 plus 25, 5 plus 5, 0, 1 carry, 2, 2, 4, 1, 5, that is 50. Question number 7, 2 plus 8, 10, 0, 1 carry, 3, 2, 5, 1, 6, that is 60. You can see here that I complete a magic triangle. You can see here that in first on corners we have to add these numbers. 3 plus 3 equal 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. In second 4 plus 3 12, 12 6. In second 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 6 13. In third 5 plus 3 8 and 8 plus 7 15. So there will be 15. And now in question number 4 there is given 16. So we have to add 6 plus 8 14 and we have to subtract 14 from 16. So 16 minus 14 equal 2. So there will be 2. Thank you. You have to do exercise 2.2 in your CW copy, and if you have not completed exercise 2.1 in your fair copy, then you have to complete that is in fair copy.